Okay, where is the scroll? Good. Where's the button? Where's the chin rest? Good. Where's the bridge? Where is the F-holes? Where are the F-holes? Where? Good job. There are the F-holes. Where is the A string? Can you pluck the A string? Good. Where's the E string? Where's the G string? Ooh, and the D string? Yay! Those are all of your strings. Where's the bridge? Do you know where the bridge is? Where's the bridge? Good. And the tailpiece?
Tailpiece.
Awesome job! You want to sing about your violin? You going to sing? No singing? Huh? You want to sing I Love to Spell because you're dressed up like Princess Presto? That's great job. You want to pluck?
Violin is brown.
That's right. It is brown. Do you want to pluck your song? Your pizzicato?
My pizzicato.
Yes. You want to pluck pizzicato?
My pizzicato.
Let's pluck. D, A, D. Rest. That's right, baby. Good job, Ellie. Good. Come on, baby. Try. Gonna put on your shoulder. Oh, careful. Okay. Well, let's pluck. D. D. Rest. D. A. D. Rest. D. Yay! Rest. Rest. Yay!
Mommy's pizzicato.
Oh, Mommy's turn? Okay, bye-bye.